The ITA Tech Challenge has been very effective at our school at letting our students know that Illinois and the Midwest in general is a really great tech destination. That a lot of our students, once they finish their studies, undergrad, masters, by default they tend to look always at opportunities in the coast. Stuff in Silicon Valley, stuff in New York and elsewhere around the country. And the Tech Challenge has really reinforced to them that there are a lot of companies here, not just in Chicago, but in Illinois and in the broader Midwest, which are really interested in hiring top technical talent, and not just that, who are working on really interesting problems of the scale of the ones that you would find in the big companies off in the coasts.
When we do typically recruiting, we do two kinds of things. Might be a referral or an employee, word of mouth about our work and culture. We also have some recruiters or headhunters who have been working with me for many years, and we get as trusted partners, and we get resources from them. Tech Challenge is a little different in the sense that in one go we are getting exposure to a lot of universities, and we really don't have the time as a growing company to keep a tab of all the talent, all the bright young minds that are doing all the projects and what they're working on. So this to me is more like a conglomeration of an event where we can actually go and get out the best minds, check them, do a reconciliation with the type of talent we see from outside Chicago, and hire the brightest of the minds. So in that way it is pretty unique and different from other challenges or other recruiting efforts that we do.
Having hired interns from the ITA Tech Challenge has been pretty exciting for us. Normally we looked for interns only in the summer, but the intern that we have this year asked if maybe he could try interning in the spring, and it's worked out really well for us, and hopefully it's worked out well for him. And we have our first full-time starting this summer, so stay tuned.
I was drawn to the ITA Tech Challenge because I'm more trying to get out and do more things in the Chicago tech community, and I saw a poster on our school's board, and I saw that you could win $5,000, so that definitely drew me and grabbed my attention. But yeah, just trying to get out and get more experience and get more meet more people. So I actually came in to the finals not expecting anything with the internships. I thought I came for the test, and the interviews were actually just a second thing in my mind. I really didn't care about those. But then after interviewing, a couple places were pretty cool, but Kira was the coolest, and I had never heard of them before, and so yeah, it was just interesting to meet companies that I've never heard of, and them kind of blow me out of the water, how cool their internship is going to be. So.